Welcome back to another Ejplays video. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that notification button, hit that thumbs up button. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a backdrop in Blender 3D. So yeah, let's get started. So first, you want to get rid of this cube. You're going to click Add, Mesh, Plane, press S on your keyboard to scale. And then you're going to click Up. Select side vertices, actually go into edit mode. We're gonna press E, scale up to extrude up. You want it to be straight, so I'm gonna do that, but one more time. Okay, so like so. Then you're gonna select side vertices like this. Then you're gonna press Ctrl B. So you can get like a bevel cut. So now that you have like a can scale this. So now that you have like a backdrop, so your background will be bland and pure, so we can shade this smooth, and we did it. And we could just rename this backdrop, and yeah, so you have it. If you learned anything from this video, or enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Share the video with a loved one, a family member, or a young sibling, anything, family, friend, and yeah, peace. We out.